auto response bot for WhatsApp using Python. Before we get started, let's celebrate a bit. Just kidding. Anyway, Happy New Year, everyone. And now, let's get started. Let's break down the process into 4 steps. Step 1. The bot has to open an unread conversation. Step 2. It has to read the received message. Step 3. It has to respond with a suitable reply which is programmed by us. Step 4. It has to repeat the same procedure for every new conversation and unread message. And yeah, obviously we don't want our bot to respond in the same way for every message. Now let's begin. In this video, I'm not going to automate WhatsApp web, whereas I'm going to automate the WhatsApp app available for Mac or Windows PC. You can straight away Google it and download it on your PC. Once downloaded, open the application and go to Settings and change the theme to light, because the pictures used in the program are for light theme and not for the dark theme version of WhatsApp. Once that's done, you're all set to get into the program. The folder consists of 2 sets of programs. One which is used to locate the coordinate of your mouse, and 2 which will be your main program. You can grab the code from my GitHub account or just use the git clone pip command to clone my repository, in which you can find the 2 images that I used in the program and also the 2 sets of files of the program. Coming to the locating program, but I just execute and explain to you what it actually does. So let me open the command prompt and run the program. The values of the X and Y coordinates are shown along with the RGB values of the color pointed by the mouse cursor. For example, the RGB value of white is 255 thrice, and there you can see the value popping up on the command prompt when I point it at the marker edge. You can close the program by choosing X value to be 0, that is by going to the leftmost side of the screen, as there is a break command introduced at that point. Coming to the main program, it is a rather long one, but trust me, it's a very simple one. PyAuto GUI to automate Python, OpenCV to read the screen, Pillow for image processing capabilities, and Paperclip to copy paste the text. The program consists of different functions, and I made sure to attach a comment for each function for good understanding. The only notable change will be to edit your own replies for specific messages. As in my case, I've automated it for Hi, Happy New Year, Good Morning, Good Night, and finally a default statement. The final part of the program consists of identifying unread messages. With all that said, now let's automate our WhatsApp. Open command prompt and run the program, and as soon as you start the program, open the WhatsApp window. Now watch your bot in action. And these are the automated responses I have programmed for the bot. As you can see, the bot automatically identified the unread conversation, opened it, copied the message and identified it to be hi, and responded with the programmed output. And yeah, the bot can do this all day, man. Now you can look at the various responses my bot is capable of giving for particular messages sent by my friends. Do note that I have introduced delay after each of the operation the bot performs, so as to avoid repetition of text the bot sends and also for the bot to perform much more effectively. Do look at the command prompt where the messages received are recorded so that you know for what message the bot has replied. Things always don't go according to the plan, do they? Well, my sister decided to pop up in between all of a sudden. Well, my bot was smart enough to read the message and was able to respond with the default string. And that's the working of an automated WhatsApp bot. Do note that is the infinite loop program, so it's going to be running until you close the command prompt. So do make sure to close it once you're done using it, and yeah, you can put your PC on sleep and just leave the bot on and working. Grab the code from my GitHub account and do follow me on LinkedIn and comment down below your doubts, queries and everything. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great year ahead.